Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Webcaster and signing in. This links your channels and saves settings. Once done, grant camera and microphone access so audio/video capture works. Without permissions, the stream fails. Next, pick your destination, YouTube, Facebook, or custom RTMP, because that determines encoding presets and key input. Make sure to select the right profile for resolution and bitrate to match your internet upload. This reduces buffering and improves viewer experience. Now you configure sources and encoding. Add your camera, a screen capture, or a video file as layers so visual composition is ready. Once your sources are in place, set audio inputs and adjust gain, enable noise suppression and check levels to avoid clipping. Then configure resolution, bitrate, and frame rate, for example 1080p at 6 Mbps, because matching these to your upload capacity prevents dropped frames. Finally, arrange overlays and transitions so the stream looks professional. You're ready to go live. Preview your scene, verify audio/video sync, and then press Go Live to start broadcasting. While streaming, monitor stream health readouts for CPU load, dropped frames, and actual bitrate. This tells you if the feed is stable. If you encounter issues, immediately reduce resolution or bitrate, close heavy apps, and switch to a wired LAN for reliability. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio lags, mute. Resync the source, and restart the encoder to restore sync quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.